real soon.
Going next, so
Slow down.
you have to have tennis
Slow
shoes on.
down.
Watch where you're going. You have to get your tennis shoes on.
The thing is she can't stop because she's too short.
No, I told her what to do.
Oh.
To lean to one side.
That's probably how she fell. She did a little rooster tail up that dirt hill.
I know, I saw her.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Focus.
Jealous now.
She's not as brave as Tiyana, though.
No. She rode it though. We thought Tiyana would not get on that today.
Oh, yeah, I knew she would.
They need gear.
Yeah. They have anything up at that store?
No, it's just expensive. You gotta look on eBay for it. You need elbow pads, riding pants. The riding pants are like $50 at the Honda shop. For brand new ones, you can get psychedelic signs on. Whoa!
Oh, shit.
Okay.